Here is a brief overview of projectile motion. There are three critical features that will help you answer your word problems. The y-intercept, which is our initial height of the object, the vertex, which is the maximum point that the object will reach. It also gives the amount of time in which the object reaches its maximum height. Then you have your roots, and mainly we're focusing on the positive root. This root will tell you how long it takes the object to land. The y-intercept, it is the height in which the object begins. It is when x, which represents seconds, is 0. In this example, the y-intercept is 0,6. In 0 seconds, the ball is 6 feet in the air. In your quadratic equation, your y-intercept is your c value. Now let's focus on the vertex. The vertex gives you the amount of time, the x in seconds, the object reaches its maximum height. And the height is the y value of your vertex. So the x tells how many seconds it takes to reach the maximum height, and the y tells you what that maximum height is. In this example, our vertex is 2,12. In 2 seconds, the basketball reaches 12 feet high. To find the vertex when you do not have a graph, you're going to use the vertex formula. Negative b over 2a gives the amount of time it takes the object to reach the maximum height. Then you plug that value in to get your y, your output, which is the height, the maximum height that object reaches. Then we have our roots, and again, we're focusing on the positive root. The positive root gives the amount of time, x in seconds, that it takes the object to hit the ground. So it's when y is 0. It is 0 feet or meters off the ground. In this example, our positive root is 4,0. Therefore, in 4 seconds, the basketball reaches the ground of 0 feet. You can always use the quadratic formula to find your positive root. However, sometimes your quadratic equation is factorable, and it may take you a little less time to factor. But just remember, your quadratic formula works every time.